Are you ready to explore the pressing issues facing our environment and discover the innovative solutions? Today, we are delving deep into a topic that is impacting California like never before. Rebuilding lives and landscapes after California's forest fires. Stick to the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Climate Crunch YouTube channel, the channel where we are exploring the most pressing environmental issues and innovative solutions. Today we are diving deep into a topic that has had a profound impact on California and its residents. Rebuilding lives and landscapes after California's forest fires. So before starting our main topic, first of all we have to understand the California's forest fires. California's landscape is renowned for its breathtaking beauty, from the picturesque coastal shores to the towering redwoods and sweeping deserts. However, this natural splendor is juxtaposed with a stark and increasingly devastating reality. California is at the forefront of some of the most severe forest fires in the world. In recent years, the intensity and frequency of these wildfires have surged to alarming levels, posing a significant threat to both humans and environmental well-being. Several interconnected factors contribute to this crisis, including climate change, prolonged droughts, and human activities like urban sprawl and poor land management. Climate change is a major factor that makes California's wildfires worse. Rising temperatures, long periods of heat wave, and changing rain patterns make it easy for wildfires to spread. To understand this, we have an example to discuss that long dry periods make the land dry and easy to catch the fire, and high temperature make the fire spread quickly. Moreover, these conditions can make it easy for wildfires to become firestorms, which are very large and powerful fires that can create their own wind and weather patterns. Firestorms are very difficult to control and can cause a lot of damage. As a result, what were once seasonal occurrences have now become a year-round threat, causing widespread destructions. And now we're moving on to our actual topic, which is immediate response and relief. When a wildfire ignites, the initial response is nothing short of heroic. Emergency services including firefighters, paramedics, and law enforcement, along with an army of dedicated volunteers, leap into action. The primary objectives are to swiftly contain the blaze and evacuate the residents from the affected areas. Firefighters often put their lives on the line, battling intense heat, smoke, and rapidly spreading flames to protect both property and human lives. They employ a combination of fire breaks, water-dropping aircrafts, and strategic planning to combat the inferno, all while coordinating with other first responders to ensure the safety of those in harm's way. Once the wildfire is finally brought under control, the immediate relief efforts begin. This phase is equally as critical as the initial response. Evacuees who have lost their homes or been temporarily displaced need the shelter, food, and essential supplies. Humanitarian organizations, often working hand in hand with the government agencies, establish emergency shelters and distribution centers. These sites offers not only physical necessities but also psychological support for those who are traumatized by the experience. It's a time when communities come together, showcasing incredible resilience and unity in the face of adversity. And now moving on to our next topic, which is assessing the damage. After the flames have been extinguished, the first step is to assess the damage. Authorities and insurance companies evaluate the extent of destruction. It's often a heartbreaking process for those who have lost everything. It's not just homes that are affected. Forest, wildlife habitats, and watersheds all are impacted. The scars on the landscape can be seen for years to come. And moving on to our next topic, which is rebuilding lives. But we think that there is a hope. Communities come together to support one another during these hard times. Many organizations and volunteers offer aid and comfort to those affected. Rebuilding lives often starts with temporary shelters and assistance programs. Emotional support is just as crucial as physical aid. This sense of unity is a testament to the resilience of Californians. Moving on to our next topic, which is environmental restoration. While rebuilding lives is a top priority, we must also focus on healing the natural environment. Forests help to remove carbon from the air, and planting more trees is important for fighting climate change. Reforestation efforts are the crucial part for the recovery process. Organizations and volunteers plant millions of trees to help these ecosystems bounce back. And now moving on to our last topic, which is preparing for the future. To prevent future wildfires, California is investing in fire-resistant infrastructure, improved emergency response system, and stricter regulations on land management. Individuals are also encouraged to take steps to protect their homes. It's a collective effort to mitigate the risk associated with wildfires. Education and awareness are the key components of this strategy. And that's it, that's the wrap up of this video. It's clear that rebuilding lives and landscapes after California's forest fires is a complex and ongoing process. It's a testament to human resilience and our determination to protect our environment. If you found this episode informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the fight against climate change requires all of us to take action. Stay informed, stay engaged, and together we can make a positive impact. And thanks again for joining us on the Climate Grant YouTube channel.